doing a bit of exploring. We've docked the boat. And somewhere in there Ryan is. All this old junk. Wow, there's even an old plastic bottle. Check this out, guys. It's all from the floods, probably. Don't you reckon, Ryan? It's probably... there could be fish in there. All right. Where are you, Ryan? There he is. I don't know if you can see him, guys. Oh man, that's pretty hectic. Oh. Ugh. Oh man, I wish I did have something to Whew. That's hectic. Man, my legs are so scratched up already just from that little bit of bush. Whew. Wow. There's Ryan. Anything cool to report?
Well, river's over there. Let's go have a look.
Yeah, there's thorns and everything here, bro.
Yeah, I know.
My leg's already scratched. I might. Do you want to take the GoPro with you, bro?
Come with me. Right.
Oh, no, I'm already cut up, bro.
Oh, really?
Yeah, yeah, and just in front of me there's a thorn bush. I'm not lying, guys. Check this out. Can you see the thorns? Where'd you go through there?
I went through the front and
Oh.
I made a new trip.
Yeah, but like, I'm not joking. Look at that thorns on there. Oh, you got pants on. Yeah, you got pants on, bro. Yep, we'll get through, you reckon? Yeah, I'm already scratched up from just that one little part. Thanks, bro.
Just watch that other one.
Yep. Oh, jeez. Oh, we got through. Oh, wow, it's open here. Wow, that looks cool. Check it out. So, the Murray's just over there, guys. The boat's over there. And we're over here. Let's go. I'm going to blow my scout whistle. More thorns. Oh, that's loud. Oh, ouch. Man, that really scratched me up. There's just that little bit of... Oh, how beautiful is this tree, guys? Check it out. Wow, look at this gum.
Yeah, guys.
Wow. Hey, guys.
How many dreams times do you think this?
Oh, so what's there, like a swamp or a lake?
Swamp.
Yeah.
That is a big tree, hey.
Beautiful, bro. But just, you realise that tree, probably long after we're gone,
Yeah.
long before we're born, is growing away.
That tree's probably
This
about
would be-
150 years old.
At least, I reckon.
Yeah, minimum.
Yeah. That tree, guys, is older than any of us. Did you hear a creak? Oh, that's your boot. I actually thought it was something else. Oh, look at this open bit. Wow, more thorns. Look at the size of them thorns. See that, guys? Borry's not being weak. Nah, he's being weak.
The only person with your name is Nigel.
Check this out.
Nigel Thornberry.
So, you were saying, Ryan, this is where sometimes houseboats stop and
I would say so.
camp. As you can see, someone's gathered wood.
Yep. Someone's axed the tree.
Someone's axed the tree because they didn't even ask to do that. They just did it. Look at that.
Oh, look at that. That's a rare Corona.
Oh, Corona.
Yeah, geez, they're
Don't say
rare.
that for the algorithm.
They're rare. They're rare. Yep.
My Corona. We'll go to the edge of the bank here because there's a clear path. Clear and present danger. Check it out. See the boat there, guys? That's the hard part I went through, the bush. There's the water right there. There's a pelican on the other side over there. I don't think you can see it. It's pretty hard to see in the footage. Beautiful willow there. Oh, I found a ski, bro, in a tree. Ryan, check this out, guys. Look what I just found. A ski in a tree. It's a ski in a tree. Ryan, I found a ski in a tree. A ski in a tree. It's a ski in a tree. Yeah. It's a ski in a tree. Ski in a tree. Well, thank you. Anyway, I thought I'd make a big deal of the ski in a tree, all right? What was the story behind the ski in a tree? That's what I want to know. Where is its occupant? We may never know. Let's continue on this trail. Ski in a tree, yeah. Hello, we're a band called Ski in a Tree. We hope you like us. We're from the Murray Riverlands of South Australia. So I'm going to check out this willow spot, guys. Oh, this is beautiful. Look at this, man. It's a beautiful willow, guys. See, even beautiful music. Follow, like, and share, subscribe. There could be bunyips here. You could see a bunyip. Oh, there's fish jumping. I saw fish jump. What a beautiful spot, guys, by the willow. What a beautiful spot. You could sit right there. Look at this beautiful willow. Would have been here for a long time. It's definitely an older of the willows. It's the mother willow. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at this. He's over here having an adventure with Borry and friends. There's no clear path around here, but we might go back down under. We'll walk under the ski in a tree. Yeah. There's a ski in a tree. Ski in a tree. Come back to this little. I love this branch that's rubbing against the other branch. Can you see it, guys? Little crossover, crossing swords over there, and it's creating that beautiful squeaky sound that we all love. Oh, a thorn just got me. I'll be all right. Ryan! Ryan! It's really nice in here, guys. Just haven't been talking because it's just really nice. I'm so glad I got to take you guys along with me. Ryan's marched on somewhere up that way. Can't even hear him anymore. I'll blow my scout whistle ready. Oh my. You can just hear him over there somewhere. Goes all the way up into the sky, guys, to a magical land. Reminds me of a book I loved as a kid, The Faraway Tree. Look up there, guys. Most likely no human being has been up on that branch up there, or ever will. Yet this tree is a very old tree, older than any of us. How cool is that? Wow. Just untouched in this world that we think is so small at times, yet at times so large. It's amazing when you're quiet what you can hear. I know there's the doves out there. The what are those doves called? Can you hear it? Ooh, ooh. Doves. There's a lot of pigeons in this area. The animals out here. Amazing, the ecosystem. So guys, on the way back through here, I actually saw the female version of that plantain, that herb I was showing you as a disinfectant, which is even better. I saw it on the banks and I was quite proud of myself to identify the female that usually likes to grow right next to water. And the fact that I had the male one that I was putting on my leg, I was happy that my knowledge was proving true. But unfortunately, I don't have it on the footage, I don't believe, at this point as I'm watching. So, yeah, a little heads up there. So, yeah, the female version's in this spot. You can probably see it there on the banks, but it's not probably obvious on the camera.